Toyota Hilux 2025 continues the legacy of one of the most rugged and reliable pickup trucks in the world. Known for its durability, off-road capability, and versatility, the new Hilux aims to bring modern updates while retaining its core strengths. The 2025 model is expected to receive exterior design enhancements, powertrain improvements, and possibly new technology integrations to keep it competitive in the evolving pickup truck segment. The 2025 Hilux is rumored to feature a refreshed design, bringing a more modern and aggressive appearance. Toyota is expected to introduce new LED headlights, a redesigned front grille, and updated bumpers, giving it a bold and refined look. The body may retain its muscular stance, ensuring it maintains its off-road presence. While the chassis will largely remain unchanged, minor upgrades could be implemented for better durability and performance. With increasing demand for aerodynamic efficiency, Toyota may introduce slight modifications to improve fuel economy and highway stability. Inside the cabin, Toyota is likely to improve comfort, technology, and connectivity. The Hilux has always been a practical workhorse, but newer models have started focusing on making it a more premium experience for both commercial and personal users. The 2025 model may include a larger infotainment touchscreen with Toyota's latest multimedia system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, improved materials, and more supportive seats. Advanced climate control, a digital instrument cluster, and enhanced safety features are also expected to make their way into the new model. Toyota is reportedly testing a new 2.0L turbocharged four-cylinder gasoline engine, potentially delivering up to 300 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. This engine is designed to offer better thermal efficiency, reducing CO2 emissions while maintaining high performance. Additionally, a 1.5L fuel-efficient engine is also in development, which could be compatible with alternative fuels such as ethanol and synthetic gasoline. Toyota may also continue offering the 2.8L turbo diesel engine, which has been a popular choice among off-road enthusiasts and commercial users, producing 204 bhp and 500 Nm of torque. This diesel variant is capable of towing up to 3,500 kilos and carrying a payload of 1,010 kilos, making it one of the strongest work trucks in its class. For off-road enthusiasts, the Hilux GR Sport variant is expected to continue, offering improved suspension, higher ground clearance, and off-road focused tires. The four-wheel drive system and locking differentials will ensure excellent traction over rough terrains. Toyota might also refine the suspension setup for a smoother ride, both on and off the road, making it a more well-rounded vehicle. Toyota has also started exploring electrification for the Hilux. A battery electric Hilux prototype is currently being tested in Australia by mining company BHP to evaluate its potential for commercial use in extreme conditions. While a fully electric Hilux may still be a few years away, Toyota's commitment to decarbonization suggests that a hybrid or even a plug-in hybrid version could be introduced in the near future. In terms of safety and technology, Toyota has been equipping its newer models with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. The 2025 Hilux is expected to come with enhanced driver assistance systems, making it safer and more convenient for long-distance travel and urban commuting. The 2025 Toyota Hilux is expected to be revealed by late 2025, with an official launch shortly after. While the exact pricing details are not yet confirmed, the Hilux is likely to remain competitively priced against rivals like the Ford Ranger, Nissan Navara, and Isuzu D-Max. Given its track record of reliability, Toyota's latest updates should help the Hilux maintain its position as a leader in the mid-size pickup segment. With Toyota balancing performance, off-road capabilities, efficiency and new technology, the Hilux 2025 is shaping up to be a modernized, tougher and smarter pickup truck, ready to take on both work and adventure with confidence.